Hi my FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. So today I wanted to make some brown stewed chicken for you guys today and rice and peas, but I was having a little bit of stomach discomfort, pain. So my daughter is the one that fried the chicken for me, and she's too shy to be on camera. So here is the fried chicken already fried. I'm just gonna show you how I stew it, cook it down. And these are my seasoning for today. I'm using paprika, molasses, pickled pepper sauce, and this is my Scotch bonnet, and this pimento sauce with my coconut milk, my savory blend that I blend with some chicken seasoning and some all-purpose with green pigeon peas, salt and pepper, and here's my rice. So I'm gonna have you come over here. I already put the peas in the pot, so I'm going to put the coconut milk now and kind of get the ball rolling. All right, so I'll see you guys soon. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And here's my scallion, bell pepper, thyme, my garlic, carrot, Irish potato, and onion. So in here, I'm gonna put a spoon of molasses. Before adding my chicken. Usually in Jamaica, I would burn my sugar, but I love using molasses. Okay guys, so over here, peas started boiling. I'm gonna add a half a can of my coconut milk, a few pimento seed, and some garlic. And I wanna have that cooked for maybe 20 minutes. And here's my chicken. Just gonna add a little bit of water. Just a little bit. I don't want it to boil. I just want it to catch its color. Maybe a little bit more. I just had like, say, 3 tablespoons. Keep that boiling a little bit before adding my seasoning. Prepared for my stewed chicken. When I do it this way, it doesn't get crushed and soften the chicken. I'm gonna saute these, fry these for like 15 minutes. Piece of bell pepper, my thyme, my scallion. Let that cook. So now I'm gonna add a little bit more of chicken season. This is like a half a teaspoon. And some of my savory blend seasoning. Same here, half a blend. I'm gonna have just a, like a teaspoon of soy sauce. No, this is a pepper sauce. Half a teaspoon. This is my pimento. This is my Scotch bonnet. Just a little bit of paprika. I'm gonna add this is my garlic, my pepper, hot pepper, my green onions, scallion, onions, thyme, and bell peppers. So the seasoning is gonna take like another 10 minutes. 10-15 minutes to cook. There's my chicken. My chicken is ready. And here, my rice pot is ready for the rice and peas. I removed my bell pepper. I just put it in for taste. So now I'm gonna add some salt and pepper, like a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper and some all-purpose seasoning, maybe a teaspoon also. Now the water measurement, I'm not sure how much water is in the pot right now, but I'm gonna put 4 cups of rice. So as you know, 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. But I judge my water from the way it looks after putting my rice in. And my rice was washed, by the way. That's why it's sticking to the bottom. So from what I'm judging right here, it looks just about right. So if it's 4 cups of rice, it's 2 for each cup. 2 4 is 8. So 8 cups of water. And one thing I have left to put in, I use a spoon of sugar. So I'm gonna have the fire on high to cook the rice, and whenever the water dries out, then I turn it down to low. So that will take another, say, 20 minutes And then I'll see you guys. Please remember to like, comment, share, and press that subscribe bell. All right, and send everyone over to Fergie's. So my FK gang, we've come to another closing. Here is my prepared rice and peas, my rice and pigeon peas. We call it gungo rice and peas with my brown stew chicken. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And before we go, my you know how I do my thing. My scripture of the day is from 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 11. Encourage one another and build each other up. All right? Encourage one another and build each other up. And my message from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today is, I dare you to look in the mirror every day. Get up and look in the mirror and say to yourself, I am smart, I am beautiful, I am strong, I am caring. Tell yourself, I dare you to tell yourself that every day. And don't forget about all the love that you get from Fergie's Kitchen to your kitchen. Guys, have a great one. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Touch that little bell. Ding, ding, ding. Fergie's Kitchen. And we'll see you soon.